wonderforce.com.
Hi students, welcome to Whichcam YouTube channel. So there are lot of doubts coming out regarding the application and correction. Already I have registered what I should do. Already I have done what corrections I can make, and I wanted to change the declaration, or I wanted to change the caste. I wanted to change the center. Lot of doubts are coming out. So to clear all those doubts, just I am presenting the video. So let's get into the video, and before starting the video, I expect everybody to subscribe my channel for latest updates and appropriate updates. And for guidance, join my Telegram group. The link will be given in the description box, and also you can follow me on my Instagram. And you can get some good PDF from my blog spot. So all links will be given in the description box. So before leaving this video, kindly check the description box for all latest updates. Now coming to this video topic. So for example, if you have already already you are registered for all four sessions together, and you don't want to change anything, and then you need not to do anything. So everything, whatever the registration fee paid for all four sessions, will be intact. Second, you have given the undertaking, and till now you does not get the certificates. So need not to worry. Actually, those certificates are not needed for the examination. They are to be submitted before the counseling. So those who are given the undertaking for the first and the second sessions need not to give the any new undertaking now. Okay, and those were given the undertaking but got the certificate. So before applying, or before submitting, or before uploading, re-uploading, kindly check the format. Already I have given in description box. Also I have made a format video about which is applicable for not only JEE mains, it is applicable for the advance also. The format and date must be, especially for the OBC category, especially for the EWS category, the date must be after, it must be issued after the first April of 2021. If it is old one, try to get it as soon as possible. And for the time being, you can go through with the again re-uploading the undertaking, if not any not applied as of now. Okay, so this is about the undertaking. Next, what are the things you can change? Okay, so you can change everything except, what are the changes you can make? You can make everything except self name, candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, photo and signature. These are the things which you cannot change. Rest all things can be changed, and already it is intimated that number of centers have been increased, so you will get more options. You can select the nearest possible center. You can change the sequence. Okay, so father name, mother name, yourself name, date of birth, photo and signature cannot be changed. Everything can be changed. Now for example, category change. Suppose you were there in the category but you could not get and given the general category. You can change the category to your required category. Suppose you are OBC or SC/ST, but by mistake or unknowingly, or you could not produce certificate, you have made as a general category but you belong to some category. If you got that certificate, or if you are confirmed that you will get that certificate, you can change that category. General to category is also possible, category to general also possible. So if you get the certificate, you change that category from general to category. If you feel that I have applied that time but there are chances of category getting certificate is less, then you can change it to category to general. So very number of days are very less. If you have not yet applied, if you are new applied, then you can go through that video where you have to apply properly. That video I have already made long back. You can go through that link also I will give you. So I think all of you like that my video, and still if you got any stuck up in anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. In my free time I will try to answer, and don't forget to Join my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, join my Telegram group, and everywhere social media which came is available to serve you better. All the best for the JE examination if they are conducted as per timetable. Even though we are not happy with the dates, very less gap is given between the second and third and fourth, that might be postponed or that might be extended gap, so something may be happen. So everything will be informed to you at the earliest on the Whichchem YouTube channel. Thank you, bye bye, signing off.